Conflict within the family can lead to disagreements, tension, and resentment. To handle family problems effectively, it is important to learn problem-solving skills and schedule a time for a group discussion. It is crucial to acknowledge the problem and then come together to devise a strategy for resolution. Regular family meetings can help prevent resentments from developing and improve communication. During the discussion, it is important to focus on the current issue and use I statements to express needs and concerns. Active listening and validating each person's point of view are essential for conflict resolution. Finding a compromise and seeking professional advice if needed can also be helpful. Additionally, it is important to be aware of how different family members may react to problems and to acknowledge and manage emotions during conflict. Avoiding blaming others and taking responsibility for one's own emotions is crucial for effective problem solving.